Hello everybody, I'm gonna play a song from Bob Dylan, Don't Think Twice. It's my favorite song, and I'm gonna use Conscious Feeling of Sadness to play it. Thank you for watching. Well, there ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. What you don't know by now? Well, there ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. It doesn't matter anyhow. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window when I be gone. You're the reason I've been traveling on. Don't think twice, it's alright. Well, there ain't no use in turning on your lights, babe. The light I never noticed. And there ain't no use in turning on your lights, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. Still I wish there was something you would do or say, and trying to make me change my mind and stay. But we never did too much talking anyways. Don't think twice, it's alright. There ain't no use in calling out my name, girl, like you've never done before. And there ain't no use in calling out my name, girl. I can't hear you anymore. I've been wishing and wondering, or walking down the road. I once loved a woman, a child I'm told. I gave her my heart, but she wanted my soul. Oh, don't think twice, it's alright. So long, honey, babe. Where I'm bound, I can tell. But goodbye's a too good a word, babe. I just say farewell. I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You could have done better, but I don't mind. But you're just kind of wasting my precious time. Don't think twice, it's alright. Don't think twice, it's alright.